I've put this task off too long, and I really need to, because I'm tired of this mess. Constantly getting new stuff and moving around old stuff. Just a mess. Need shelves. 3 of these shelves. They're going to be 36-inch shelves. And they'll look something like this. But I got enough of those rungs to make 5 more shelves. And I have plenty of shelving material. This is the first of 4 shelves that will be on this side. And clothes will be hanging up over here. Shelf number 1, complete. Perfect storage for my winter comforters. And I'll put the second one up in here. And there you have it, some very cheap and custom shelves. All for like 40 bucks. And then I got to do the other side, and this one was not going to be as long shelves as the other side, because I wouldn't be able to walk through to get to the back door and get into my rear closet, so they had to be shorter. And now I have room to walk, and everything's, well, almost organized.